I'm gonna be filling up my dirt bike with gas. There's the fuel. It's full, definitely. Set it right here. If you ever get a dirt bike, you need ethanol free. That's what you need. Check the pump off. Yes, I got an electric pump. Miss the amount of times I'm filling up my gas tank. Make sure it's perfectly straight up and down. Then all you do is just turn it on. And it should start beeping if you put it straight up like this. Turn it off. If you put it straight up and down, it'll start beeping when it's ready. Let all the gas drain back in. Plug it back on its thing. Grab the gas tank. I need to switch my hands. I don't know. It's way easier with the right hand for me, because I'm right-handed. Oh, that fell. Boom, put it back. Close the door. Put that back. Like my old little razor. And then cap it. It's that simple, really.